everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, now about that the freeze today, that the freeze matter don't come out for social media. That the freeze, say you did talk about people who ever since so now your own don't finally come out, my darling people. This Daddy Freeze will come out. So although he saying go come address the issue, but a wife when he marry for house, the husband don't come out now, come talk. Yes, husband don't come out now say that the Freeze come marry a wife. Wey be say this woman sit there with her for house. They never separate where that the Freeze come out and for a house. I shocktalize oh. There's wetin person never see, never waka reach there oh. I shock when me I even hear am. I say, eh? He said that the Freeze come marry a woman wey be say he sit there with her for house, my darling people. So now he draw that the Freeze go court, say they must go court for that the Freeze must pay am for wetin he do to Ram that time. He don't tell. But the one who come dey shocktalize me be say why now? Why be say now this man wan come out now come talk? Because he not come out ever since. Why be say now? He come finally come out now say he wan come talk. The thing come dey shocktalize me, my darling people. How una reason the matter? Okay, now because that the Freeze don't be public figure now. He does see and say he don't popular. Now he make him come finally come out now saying one can bring use this one to bring and down because he knows say people like that the Freeze well. So the thing come dey shocktalize me. So now I can't dey shock say that the Freeze go marry a woman when he see dey husband house. He go comot town for there. Now because say this woman, now because say that the Freeze now half caste, now you run go follow that the Freeze. Now wow. Nothing where Musa no go see forget oh. This our presenter self. Men in a fake life that they live oh. Who for even believe say that the Freeze go marry a woman when he dey husband house? Who for even believe? This one shock me oh. It shocked me like seriously. I say that the Freeze. My darling people, this one shocked me oh. It shocked me. Although he saying go come out, make he can analyze the matter, make he can talk the matter take start. How he take toast the woman, how the woman take grief for him. He saying go come out, come talk. So we will they wait for the update. Make him come out, come finally talk because this one shock everybody. Say that the Freeze, you will just they come and they analyze marriage, they talk the way it be. So now you just go carry somebody wife, come put her for house. Hey, they say nothing when Musa, nothing when Musa no go see forget. That is that the Freeze will be. So my darling people, what you una think about this video? What is that the Freeze do na good thing? He do away. Because for me, he not really do away. For you to go marry somebody wife for house, carry am. That the Freeze me, I fear you for this one oh. Otherwise say you person when I like, but me, I not side you for this one when you do so somebody wife, now you go carry people for house. They say nothing when Musa not go see forget, my darling people It shocked me. So this video not go too long. I go say me una help me reason this matter. If that the Freeze do this thing where when they take go marry somebody wife put for house, somebody wife that the Freeze carry and go put for his house. Now this woman so now they with her for house now. This woman, what she do to na good thing? Because I don't know what you they see for your marriage there. What make you really take that kind of decision? Take leave your husband. Go follow that the Freeze. Now because that the Freeze cute pass your husband, I bet get money where that the Freeze say they entice you. Where can enter your brain where you can't forget your own husband. This one shockalize me, oh my darling people. Now I say, because we've heard they hear this thing for social media. I don't even believe saying that the freeze will even do this kind of thing. Hey, my darling people. Not the way Musa no go see for ghetto. Because before matter happen, that the freeze, they analyze them. They go analyze them the way people go to really understand. Why it can't be saying you this thing can happen to now? Go carry somebody wife put for house. That the freeze. You never say make it fair return by price. You go carry another person wife put for house. My darling people. This one shock me. When me I hear am. When me I hear am, I say, You don't say many pastors will be saying you don't they engage before they will fall out for you now. They'll say, so now so you be. Because many now they wait for your downfall. Because if they attack them, they're not they happy you. They're not they happy with you that they freeze. If they hear this one, all of them will rush, come out now, they want to attack you. This one they shockalize me 10 times when me I hear. And the reason I want yesterday I want to talk and say no today. And like the reason I'll say because that they freeze. They always they analyze people, they talk calm the way it be, you know. I know I shocked saying that you can finally come out now. Now wow, not the way Musa, not go see forget. Oh my darling people. How una reason this matter, my ogbonge fans there. Waiting that the freeze do so na good thing. He do away for around to carry somebody wife put for house. In do away, my darling people. How una reason now? Because the man, where the man dey since we not cry out? Why now? Why I can't be saying now? You can finally cry out. I don't want they surprise me. The man not cry out now because say that the freeze don't be public figure now. Now make you finally come out now. Can they talk? So that make it say bring them down. I will now reason the matter. I'm gonna leave on a comment for the comment section. I will not reason that because so let me one know if you reason this one no because that the freeze na person will be saying now one of the men will be saying me I they respect, you know. Now one of the man when me not even expect say this kind of thing go even happen, so you understand. Now person will be saying me I really like way. But for this one, I shockalize and the man don't draw and go court say me compare so amount. Big money I don't want to call the tire me. So anything you want to think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.